Welcome everyone. I'm Ken. I'm out here today with my brother. We're canoeing up the Peace River. We're using lines to pull the canoe where it's the water is flowing too fast. We're going to check a camera that we set up here last fall. It's across the river. We're going to head over there, and then we're going to set up some cameras on our way back down. So it's we're having an epic adventure today, and the wildlife videos will probably be quite interesting. So enjoy. So we're crossing the river to the other side, and then we're going to get ready for our hike up into the hills. My brother Dave and I are pretty excited because we geared up to hike and we found a herd of elk. Unfortunately, we're directly upwind of the elk, so we know it's just a matter of time and they're going to get our scent. So we're just enjoying watching them while we can. This cow here, she picks up our scent and starts heading out. Yeah, when the bull got our scent, he put his herd on the run. And the next animal we see is a black bear that just come out of the den by the looks of it. His coat's in very nice shape, and looks like he didn't suffer too much over the long winter. So this camera, as you can see, is mounted on a tree, and it was high and dry in the fall. But at some point this winter, there was an avalanche that filled the little valley. Then it froze into ice. The water has been running over top of the ice, and you can see the high water mark on the tree about 2 inches above the camera. So the camera was totally underwater, and I'm just trying to rescue it as best I can.